Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going straight to the topic right now, because maybe you heard it in the radio or saw it on TV, but there was a big military coup in Myanmar last week. This coup led to a massive protest of the population. Myanmar is a country in Asia, which is inhabited by 100 ethnic groups. The reason for this military coup was because the leader of the military stated that the election, which took place in November and was won by the Nobel Prize winner in 1991, Aung San Suu Kyi, had been unfair. The military has begun to impose restrictions in some areas, including curfews and limits to gatherings. The military also took over the government and seized the power last week. They declared a 1-year-long state emergency in Myanmar, with all the power handed over to the general Gen Mi Aung Hlaing. Ms. San Suu Kyi and senior leaders of her National League for Democracy, which is a party including the president Win Myint, have been put under house arrest. Some news have said that Aung San Suu Kyi could be sentenced to 3 years of jail. The problem if that happens is that she could be expelled from the government because she would already have a criminal record. The coup in Myanmar is so massive that even the internet and the TV program is shut down. The military is streaming military propaganda though the television. Because of all that, the population of Myanmar is protesting with more than 10,000 people, with the goal to free Aung San Suu Kyi even in other cities. There are thousands of people protesting. Many people also skip work and protest on the street, even though they won't get paid. The protesters include teachers, lawyers, bank officers, and many more. Also, kids and teenagers are included. The protest became so massive that even famous football players, as well as film and music stars, began to protest. In some areas, even Buddhist monks took to the streets to protest and to protect the Protestants, because monks are considered inviolable in this country. That means, although the police and military are not currently shooting at the Protestants, they can't do so now, since they could possibly hit a monk. There have been a few injuries, but no violence. However, a water cannon was activated to disperse crowds. Some videos are showing people rubbing their eyes and being soaked by the water. The general of the military stated that they have uncovered more than 10 million examples of irregularities on the voter lists. So the general decided that there is gonna be a new election with a new reformed election commission, even though the country's election commission has rejected the claims. The 3 words are curfews, Ausgangssperre, inviolable, unantastbar, disperse, zerstreuen.